Truck accidents oftentimes are much more serious than a regular car accident, and that's really due to the difference in size and weight between the truck and the car. This can be caused by tire blowouts, by driver inattention, by faulty brakes, by dangerous driving when the weather is not good, by dangerous driving when the roads are slippery, and a wide range of other reasons. After a truck accident, it's important to have the police involved to document what happened and, of course, get the necessary medical treatment that's required at that point. Following that, it's important to call an attorney to make sure that your rights are preserved.
The most important thing to do after a truck accident is to call a lawyer as soon as possible. Evidence goes missing the moment after a truck accident. It's important to hire an experienced attorney to handle a truck accident case because the attorneys that are new to this field, they're not going to be familiar with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. They're not going to be familiar with what the Commercial Driver's License Manual says in terms of how to safely operate a commercial motor vehicle or a truck. They are not going to know how the insurance works in the trucking industry. They're not going to know the defense attorneys that routinely represent these trucking companies. You want to make sure that the attorney that you're choosing to handle your truck or bus accident case handles these cases on a regular basis so that they know the ins and the outs of the practice of law, the players, the insurance companies, and the defense attorneys. We are the only firm in New Jersey that has 2 attorneys that are board certified to handle truck and bus accident cases. Ed Rebenak and myself are also dedicated, our practices are solely dedicated to truck and bus accident cases, and we are not aware of any other firm that has those 2 things. The top attorneys investigate truck accidents this way. The first thing that we do is get preservation letters out to the insurance company, the truck driver, the trucking company, the state police, anyone who may have any evidence. We make sure that that evidence is locked down. The second thing we do is we get out to that truck as soon as possible. In every single truck and bus accident case we have, our attorneys, along with our expert, get out to that truck or bus to download the engine, to do a visual inspection, and to also do a mechanical inspection. Like everyone, truck drivers and bus drivers, they make mistakes. But what we're concerned about finding is the reason why that truck driver made a mistake. Were they not trained properly? Were they fatigued? Were they not supervised properly? Those are mistakes that take place in a corporate office or corporate headquarters at a trucking company, and that is our focus when we handle these cases. So with a truck accident lawyer's assistance, your damages are a number of things. Your pain and suffering, disability, loss of enjoyment of life, any medical bills that you've accumulated, any lost wages. In addition, what does your future look like? So that could be future lost wages, future medical bills, the cost of future treatment. You do not have to pay up front to hire a truck accident attorney. We work on contingency fee. That means a couple things. That means all of the expenses associated with the file are going to be advanced by our law firm. Costs to hire experts to do our inspections, court fees, fees associated with trials will all be forwarded, will all be fronted by the firm. Our fee, our legal fee for our time into the file, will get deducted at the end of a case out of any successful settlement or verdict.